Hey guys, this is Matt Mann with VDGaming.com, hosting the Epoch servers. I'm just here to do a quick tutorial on base building on my servers. The first thing you need to be able to build anything is a plot pole, which can be bought from the vendors. I also want to apologize for any background noise. We have some construction going on. So when you buy a plot pole from the vendors for 12 10-ounce gold, I know that's more than some of the other servers, but ours persist through death, so you never have to rebuy one. They look like this when you've put them down, these no entry signs. Once you have one placed, you can build within 30 meters of any direction from the pole. So, the base building encompasses both the Epoch and a separate base building system, so you will need to use both. The Epoch system, when you right click on an item, it gives you a list of what you can build with that item. So if you have any buildable item and you mouse scroll, you'll get a build list, a build recipes option. Click on that. Brings up a menu like this. You can select what item you want. Over here it shows you all the items that are used in the base building. You have tank traps, wire, sandbags, wood, scrap metal, grenades, full fuel barrels, corrugated fence. This is the corrugated fence that's built with the Epoch system. Burlap, also built with the Epoch system. Plywood, lumber, and metal poles, all of which are also used in the Epoch system. The first line here shows what is used to build this item. So let's say I think I'm going to build a keypad so we can show you how that works as well. So this requires one tank trap, 2 wire, 1 scrap metal, 1 metal pole. The second line here shows what I have in my inventory. Now, in order to build something, you have to have the exact amount. You can't have extra stuff in your inventory. So this build is white, showing me that I don't have the right stuff. So let's also show you this here. This menu over here shows you what that you need a toolbox. True. Do I need a entrenching tool? No. It takes 20 seconds to build. I cannot build it in a road, in a building, in a town, and it is not removable. So different objects have different, so these ones require entrenching tools and take longer to build. So I'm going to build a info stand here. This is the keypad panel that allows remote entry into a base. So I have these items here. I just need the metal poles. So I'm going to show you how that works. Metal poles, I need to smelt some metal. So let's see here. There it is. Make a fireplace. So also just to show you, if I right click the scrap metal, it says craft pole. If I click on craft pole, it says I need a fire within 2 meters. So let's light the fire. Now if I check the menu, craft pole, it says I'm missing a scrap metal. 1 more scrap metal. So let's go in here and take another scrap metal. Let's craft a pole now. There you go. There's our metal pole. Alright, so let me put out the fire here. Now if I come over here I think I've got everything I need. Build recipes. And now you see my build is orange, meaning I can build it. So let's click build. Alright, so now I can move this thing around wherever I want to put it. And let's say I want to put it right, without knocking it over, right there. Don't move while it's doing its building. And it will tell you when it's done. So stay in place till you see those words there. Now, it says you have constructed a gate panel, keypad access. The code is 5880. Make sure to build two, one in and one out. So, by doing this, obviously if I make a base, there's no entry inside. If you log out inside, you want to be able to open the gate to get out. So you need two panels, one inside and one outside. So once you build an object, like I built this large barn already, and I also put these concrete, and let me show you this here. The very first one are the concrete walls. These are the doors. These are the only objects you can build that will work as doors. So I built 3 of these, lined them up and put them next to each other to block this doorway. So 5880 is my code. If I mouse scroll on this guy here, you can also edit the code right there if you can see that. So let's try this, edit code. It only allows me to do this because I'm the owner. I'm going to change it to 1, 2, 3, 4, and the pound. You have successfully changed the code. So now let's see, enter key code to operate gate. Oh, it's got my old code in there. Maybe I need to walk away. One, 2, 3, 4, and pound. Access granted. Now you can see over here it gives me the option to operate gate. And there you have it. Full access. If I come inside, you can see there's a countdown there, gives you 60 seconds of full access. It looks like this guy's bugged out. So let's see here. Operate gate. And closed. And as you can see, there is no way out. So I believe that's about it. Let's open this guy up one more time. And that's about it, guys. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and hit me up on Skype or in the forums on VDGaming.com. Thanks a lot.